Okay, again, this is a second video of the day. Today is Saturday, February the 29th. Is a leap year. That's why February has 29 days. And I just got done with TCF Bank. They charge for a cashier's check, which doesn't make sense because my bank Affinity Plus, they don't. Okay, that's me. Again, it's September 29th. The time is about 12:30. And I just got done. I went to TCF Bank over there at Capfoods, and they do actually charge for a cashier's check. I wanted to send some money, but then they are telling me I have to pay 10 bucks, which doesn't make sense. As you can see, my eyes are watery. I don't know if you can see that, but it's windy, but it's a beautiful day. It's not too cold. It's winter, but I think the temps are in the 40s right now. I'm gonna go to my bank in Roseville, Affinity Plus. Click the button below, subscribe. Thank you for supporting our channel. Peace out. Enjoy the ride with me. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna drive now to Roseville, listening to music here. Right now I'm in Maplewood and I'm going to Roseville. It's about 6-7 minutes drive. And the time is 12:26. nice restaurant here. It's called Khan. It's Khan's. It's a Mongolian restaurant right there. It's called Khan's Mongolian restaurant. I'm not advertising for them. Actually, they should pay me for mentioning them on my video. Okay, I'm here at my bank. All right. Peace out.